Hello student. In our last class we have learned about subtraction 0 from a number, then subtraction 1 from a number, subtraction a number from itself, subtracting tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay, and then we are going to learn today addition and subtraction. In this chapter we are going to learn that both addition and subtraction were done in a simplification. Okay, let's see an example for this here. Okay, see, suppose we are going to learn here class 4 chapter 2 addition subtraction. Okay, and it is a chapter this lesson is related to chapter 2.10. Okay, today we are going to learn problems on both addition and subtraction. Okay, let us see example 1423 plus 2142 minus 1423. So what we'll do first we do addition. Okay, first we arrange the two, that means this and this, to get addition of the first two. Okay, first we arrange them in their place value. Let's see, we write here 1 4 2 3, then 2 1 4 2. Now let us add them. 3 plus 2 will get here 5, 2 plus 4 6, 4 plus 1 5, and 1 plus 2 3. Okay, now we get here 3565. Then what we'll do, then now addition sentence can be written as 1423 plus 2142 equal to, we'll get here, see here, 3565. So we write here 3565. Now then we do subtraction sentence as 3565 minus 1423. First we arrange them in their place value. Suppose 3 here, 3 5 6 5, then 1 4 2 3. Now we will do subtraction. See here, 5 plus 3, 5 minus 3 will get 2, 6 minus 4 will get here 4, 5 minus 4 1, 3 minus 1 2. So we'll get here 3565 minus 1423 equal to 2142. Then we are going to check of subtraction sentence here. 3565 minus, if we minus the answer that we got here 2142, then what we'll get, will we get the answer that we have subtracted from it or not? See here, subtract it. 5 minus 2 will get 3, 6 minus 4 will get a 2, 5 minus 1 will get 4, and 3 minus 2 will get here 1. So our answer is 1423. 1423. So we can say that, so this is your answer of both addition and subtraction. Students, let's see this exercise. See, in this exercise, see 2.11 10, so in 2.10 that you have to do this subtraction. Okay, this is subtraction. Then here you have to do, find the difference, that you have to 4629 minus 0, you have to do it, and you have to first arrange them like this form, and then you have to do the subtraction. Okay, then you have to do is it possible to subtract 4973 from 1230 9. Okay, it is not possible because since the number from which we are going to subtract is smaller. Okay, as the number that is going to subtract is greater. Okay, for that it is not possible. Then it is a fill in the blanks that you have to do it. Then you have to write two subtraction sentence for each of the flowing addition sentence. Okay, see, you have to write two subtraction sentence for each of the flowing addition sentence as I have shown you. Okay, see, that means first you have to add this, then you have to show the subtraction sentence. First what will do, first you minus this from this, and then you have to check whether this answer come or not. Then what will do, again you have to minus this from this, and you have to see whether you get this answer or not. You have to write the two subtraction sentence as I have shown here. Okay, and then you have to say, can you form two subtraction sentence from 1241 plus 1241 equal to 2482. You have to check it whether you can form or not. Now see, next we are going to learn about estimating the difference. Okay, in this you have to learn that you have to take the nearest, that means you have to take the nearest 100, tens or 100 or 1000 to their numbers, and you have to find the actual and their estimate sum. Okay, now see here some examples that I have done for you. See here, see, estimating the difference. See here, it is related to chapter 2.11. see, the difference of two number can be estimated. See here, for example, estimate the difference of 3562 and 6238. Now see, if we take 3562, round up to their nearest 1000, then we will get, since it is 3562 and so its nearest 1000 is 4000. Then see here, 6238, round off to the nearest 1000, we got here 6000. Okay, now we'll do estimate the difference. First we will take the nearest, that means 6006 here. Now we're going to estimate the difference. See, first we write 6000, then we are going to minus the next number, that is the 4000, then minus it, then we'll got here 0, 0, 0 and 2000. Okay, now we're going to do actual difference. Okay, first we write the greater number, which is 6238. Then we're going to minus it from the smallest number, that is our 3562, that is 3562. Then we are going to minus it. See, if 8 minus 2, we got here 6, it become 3. It is, since 3 is smaller and 6 is bigger, so it is not possible. So we will take here 1 from here, and it become 13. So 13 minus 6, we will got here 7, and it become as our 1. Okay, so 1. So since 1 is become, and 1 minus 5 is not possible, so take here 1 from 6, so it become 11, and 11 minus 5, it become 6, and it become 6 become 5 for ourselves. Okay, then 5 minus 3, it will be 2. Okay, now see one thing. Now see you one thing. It is 2676 and it is 2000. Okay, now see the estimate difference is close to the actual sum. Now we can say that the estimate difference is very close to the actual sum. That means our estimated difference is 2000, which is very close to the actual difference. That is it is 2676. Okay, so in this way we can find the estimate difference. Okay, now then see, it is 2.11. see here you have to do difference here, find the difference here given. First you round up the number here, both the number you have to round up, then you have to find the estimate difference as we have done here, then you have to find here actual difference as we have done here. Okay, and this way you have to do it. Now see, next we are going to learn problem solving through model method subtraction. See here what we have to do, here we have to first understand the question, then we have to planning, then we have to doing, and then we have to checking whether the answer is correct or not. Let us see. I have done an example for you. See here, see, suppose, see here one thing, see, Ravi brought books for 5,500 rupees. Okay, he gave 6,000 rupees to the dealer, and how much money did he get back? So first what we have to do, first we have to understand. Okay, first we have to understand what we have to do. See, we are given the cost of books. What we have given, first to understand what we have given. We have given the cost of books. Okay, and see, we have given the cost of book, and you find amount how much paid. Okay, the amount and the amount of money paid and the amount of money paid. Okay, we have to find the money Ravi got back. We have to find we have to find the money Ravi got back. Okay, that means what we have to understand, that what we have given, that cost of books, then we have given how much money Ravi paid, then we have to find in return how much money Ravi will get. Okay, now see, then we have to do planning. See, first we have to make an bar as I have make it. First you write here how much total money he had paid. He has paid 6,000. Then we have to find cost of book, it is 5,500. Okay, and we have to find here return, it is return, it is paid, that means it is cost, paid, it is total paid. Planning. Okay, this is our planning. Now we have to doing. How we will do it? Since total money were given and we have to find how much he returned. So what we'll do? We have to do the subtraction. So first we write here how much money he had paid. See. See, cost total paid, it is total paid. Now you have to minus 5,500, it is cost of book. Now minus it, 0 0 not will go on, will take 1, 10 minus 5 5, and 5 minus 5 will become 0. So return, so it is our return. So what will got here? He got back rupees 500 from the dealer. So now checking it. Now see, cost of book, you write here cost of book 5,500, money he got back 500. Now add it, that means money Rabi total gave paid. See, add it, 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 5 0, 1 6. So we got our answer, that 6,000. So we got our correct answer, and so our answer is correct. In this way we have to do this chapter. Okay, now see here in this chapter, this is some other examples also you have to do. Here is some, it is chapter 2.12. here is some questions were given. You have to first understand and then you have to do it first yourself. If you're not, then I will again taught you how to do it. And for today this is, thank you.